If you want to use floating windows mode or the pop-up view on a Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then in that case we have three main ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to open an app, then go to Recent or Background Apps, and then press and hold your finger on the app preview, and then if the app can be opened in the pop-up view, you should be able to find this icon over here, like a rectangle inside a rectangle. So you can tap on it, and there we go, we have opened an app in the pop-up view. You can grab by the corner to resize it, you can tap on these three dots in order to find some additional options, and so on and so forth. You can also return to the full screen view if you grab by this this button that we have here at the bottom of the screen, this line. Now the second option that allows you to open an app in the floating window mode is if you use gestures for navigation, then you can swipe from the bottom to the upper right corner. As you can see here, we have the floating window mode icon. So if you drop an app over here, you will easily open it in the floating window mode. And the third option involves a sidebar. So if you use sidebar, if you have it enabled, then any app that you open in here opens in the floating window mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.